Hello everyone! Welcome back to the QA Online Academy. I'm Emily, and I am so excited to have you here for Lesson 5. It's time to build on what we've learned and tackle a new challenge. In our last lesson, we mastered the art of AI-powered bug reporting. We learned how to analyze logs and identify root causes with precision. Make sure you've reviewed that material before we move on. Today, we're focusing on the fuel that powers every test: data. We'll learn how to use AI to generate massive, realistic datasets, from JSON and CSV files to entire fictitious user profiles, in seconds. Manual data creation is a bottleneck. It's slow, prone to bias, and rarely covers all the edge cases your application might face in production. AI changes the game by understanding schemas and generating diverse, statistically accurate datasets that mimic real user behavior perfectly. Look at this Python script in PyCharm. We're using the Faker library, but when we combine it with AI, we can generate highly specific and logical data combinations. Instead of just random strings, we get realistic identities that include valid emails, phone numbers, and even technical preferences tailored to your app. Modern APIs rely on JSON. AI is exceptional at creating complex, nested JSON objects that follow your exact API specification for robust testing. In PyCharm, we can define our JSON template and use AI to populate it with realistic values, ensuring our API tests are both valid and diverse. This allows us to simulate various states, like an active user versus a suspended account, ensuring our logic handles every possibility. For bulk testing or performance scenarios, CSV files are often required. AI makes generating thousands of rows of CSV data a trivial task. We use the CSV module in Python. By integrating an AI prompt, we can ensure the data rows contain realistic, related values across all columns. The result is a clean, massive dataset ready for your performance or integration tests, saving you hours of manual spreadsheet work. Finally, let's look at fictitious user profiles. AI can generate entire personas, including job titles, credit card types, and even social media handles. These profiles allow us to test the human side of our application, how it handles different locales, edge case names, and various authorization levels. By automating data generation, we move from testing with 5 users to testing with 5,000, providing a level of quality assurance that was once impossible. Now it's your turn to get hands-on. I want you to open PyCharm on your computer right now and prepare for a data generation task. Write a Python script to generate a list of 10 fictitious users, each with a name and a unique ID. Use AI to help you make the IDs follow a specific pattern. Excellent work. Your solution should look something like this. Notice the use of formatted strings to create professional, pattern-based IDs. Today we mastered AI-driven data generation, from basic datasets to complex JSON and user profiles. You've just removed one of the biggest bottlenecks in QA. In our next chapter, AI and test automation, will take all this data and these test cases and turn them into running automated code. See you there. Thank you for joining me today. Please go back to the previous chapters and practice these skills at home. Continuous practice is the key to mastery. Don't forget to join our community and subscribe to the channel for more AI-powered tips. Leave your feedback in the comments. I love reading them. Visit our official website for full course materials and exclusive masterclasses. I'm Emily, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy testing, everyone. I'm Emily, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.